I will show you a quick mouse shortcut to replace formula in multiple cells without touching the keyboard. So first I will select multiple cells where I will fill the cells with random numbers using built-in function rand between. So random number between 1 and 100. So as I've selected multiple cells, instead of enter key, I will press control key and then press enter. So the formula got applied in the selected cells. So I want to replace these formulae with values. So I will select the cells. Then I will hover the mouse to the right edge of the selection. So see, the mouse pointer changes from cross to a crosshair. So when the mouse pointer changes shape to a crosshair, press down right mouse, and keeping the right mouse pressed down, drag the mouse to column C and then drag it back to column B to bring it back to the original position. Now release the right mouse. That will display a pop-up menu. So from the pop-up menu, click on copy here as values only using left mouse. So now all the formulae are gone and now it has replaced it with values. You see, none of the cells have formula. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.